So now we've begun the process of annotating our drawing. We have placed some dimensions. The next annotation tool we're going to look at are tags. A tag is an annotation for identifying elements in a drawing. Every category in the family library has a tag. Some tags automatically load with the default Revit template, while others you need to load. If desired, you can make your own tag in the family editor by creating annotation symbol family. I have made my own tags for this project. This is something that we cover in the intermediate course. The reason being is the Revit tags just aren't up to scratch. They don't display a lot of information, and so we won't get the full benefit of using the tags. Within a tag, there are what are called labels, and that label will look for information about that family, and the information for that family is within the type properties. So for example, if I zoom into the door here, if I select my door, go to edit type, into the type properties, in here are all the type parameters with the values. So when we place the tag will look for information that I specify. So for example, I can specify that I want my tag to look for the width and height of that door. As well, I can look for further information like a description about the door, what type mark, and so on. So all the tag is doing is looking for that information, and then it displays it for us in a tag form. So to access the tags that I have made, at this point you should have downloaded the files like the PDFs and so on. So in there is a folder. The folder's name is tags, and we have 3 different tags within the folder. First tag we're going to look at is the door tag FR. So what you need to do is double click on the door tag, and that will bring you into the door tag family editor. So again, for the introduction course, I'm not going to go into a lot of detail about how we construct these, but just quickly, each piece of that text is not simply just a piece of text. It is an actual label, and that label is looking for information that I specify. So to load the door tags into our project, we'll come up to the main ribbon here, the modify panel, and we have 2 options. We have load into project and load into project and close. If we wanted to further edit the tag, you'd simply just click on load into project. It'll do so, and this drawing will remain open. If we use the load into project and close, it's going to load the tag into the project and it's going to close down this drawing. So that's what we're going to do today. So I'm going to select on load into project and close, and then press escape. So now our tag is in the drawing itself, and how we can start the tagging process, we'll go up to the annotate tab. There we have a tag panel. What we're going to be looking at today are the tag by category and tag all. So if we use the tag by category, it'll tag individual components as we select them. As long as we've correctly attached the correct label and specified the right information, the correct tag will appear. Of course, we're able to do this a lot quicker, and the way we do that is the tag all. So we select tag all. In here as well, we'll specify what tags we want to be displayed. So first one there are the door tags, so we'll tick that on. And because we've now loaded the tag into the project, it's the first one that's displayed. But if you select it, there's a drop down arrow, and those first 3 are the default ones supplied by Autodesk. And we simply press apply, press OK, come back to the drawing. So you can see each individual door now displays a tag.